Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
You're coming up to me, fire lighting up the sky. Feel the ground shaking underneath, trying to take me alive.
I hope you all are doing great and this is me Nisheen Afta and first of all आप सभी को ईद बहुत बहुत मुबारक. I hope you had a well Eid and had a great outfit and a great food and sheer korma. So uh, this is something now whatever will be coming in future in my channel that will be new for you all. So I've shooted a video of my this look in this video only, so you are going to watch it that. So I have answered all your questions also. So this is my look. comment में बताइएगा आपने किस कलर का आउटफिट पहना है and how do you like my this look. It is something that I wanted minimal, so this is and you know this and nails I did. So just watch the video and I hope you like it. So now let's start with today's video and first I should prep my skin for the makeup and for this I am using this plum green tea toner. So let's use it. I have a drop off like this. First, let the skin be glow. Okay, so now let's wait for 5 minutes. Like till then, I am going to answer your questions. So the first question is, what's your favorite Eid dish? That is of course sheer korma. Like everyone loves it and मेरे घर में बनता नहीं है. मेरे घर में बनती है सिवई and that water. I used to buy it from market or like eat somewhere. Like there are a lot of houses which you can eat it. So now let's do the base and for this I am applying my sunscreen. I have. So now let's apply it. Okay, I'm directly putting it. यहाँ पर ही वो बहुत सारी आ रही. And now my skin is glowing. And can you see the nails? This is not the ring given by someone. Yeah, it is the ring given by someone and look at this beautiful ring. So I did this and now let's start with the primer. So for the primer I am using this. Let's use it. Actually, preparing your skin before makeup is compulsory. Like while you are painting the walls or the house, you just prepare it with the proper base, so it is as compulsory as that only. Primer is so smooth. Now for the foundation, I am using it of Swiss Beauty High Coverage Foundation. That's high performance. So let's where is my blender? Where is my blender, guys? I just put my mic here. So 1 minute. This is something new that I put for the first time. Now let's start with the makeup and for that I'm using this Swiss Beauty foundation. So much of foundation this, okay? I've got my beauty blender. Where is it? So now let's do this. So now the another question that I'm going to answer is, what's your favorite part about Eid? It's of course Eid. Like you get a lot of Eid and you can buy and it should be a cash Eid. Like you can buy whatever you want. So of course the best part about Eid is Eid. And the another question that I'm going to answer is, have you ever had Eid outfit fail? No, absolutely no, because I have my mommy here that she will never let me my outfit fail. And the the one thing about this outfit, today is Eid 31st of March in India, and ये आउटफिट मेरा बना है अभी 3 बजे, लाइक अभी आज ही का 3 बजे. सो how could my outfit be fail if I am having my mommy credit and she is right behind me. So the another question is, have you ever faced hate comments? How do you deal with it? Absolutely, like everyone faces a hate comments once they start doing something for themselves, or but the one who creates content absolutely get hate comments from a lot of people. So I also do, just from the people that don't have any standard, or can do nothing for themselves. They are just commenting on my videos, blah blah blah. So I just ignore them. But you can't ignore so much. Yes, that is the point. I too can't ignore it. So I used to talk to my peoples they tell me that move on, they can't do nothing. मतलब वो कुछ अपनी लाइफ के साथ कर नहीं सकते, वो तुम्हें टोकेंगे. So just I would say, like, ignore them. Let your success make the noise. So actually I'm loving to flaunt my nails. Wow. Okay, so ये devil वाले nails हैं. The one whoever fights with me. Okay, so just ignore them, move. Not only I get comments on online, I get it offline too. 1 day, 2 day, third, 3 day, I just listen. But at the point आता है कि you have to speak something for yourself. So you should सुना दो भाई मुंह पे जो बोलना है. I did this just 3-4 days back. I was going out of my own colony, and one 2-3 boys, I think they were I was passing out through, and they were vlog day 15 or something like that. Whatever I played, they were just pointing out that जब मैं वहाँ से निकल रही थी. So I ignored. One time I ignored, two I ignored, thrice, but not at all. Then I just came back. I just said क्या problem है, and then I moved on. So that's it. Just try to ignore it. Once it goes beyond the limit, you have to take stand for yourself. So just say it on their mouth. So now let's do a concealer. For that I won't have, actually. I want to go and pick it up. Okay, so I got it this. So for the color corrector, I am using this. Okay, and in that I am mixing a light shade concealer to give it a balance. Okay, so done. You can see it like balanced. Once a translucent powder and it will set. Let's do the eyebrows for this. First this. For that I'm using a Mion eyebrow pencil. Mion. Actually, I have to do it with. I'm keeping it quite light. Let my eyebrows be somewhat natural. You can see the difference in this and this. Another question is, what's your comfort food? Biryani, that is. I can eat it anytime. I love it. So that is, of course, my comfort food. So now let's do eye makeup, and I literally want a so minimal eye makeup. I'm just applying a kajal, or let's see what I do. What is this? Actually, I had lipstick on my hand. Okay, so I literally want a minimal eye makeup, so like I'm doing that. Guys, I got Eidi while doing the makeup, so like I'm not doing it alone. Like everyone is coming from here, there, and like maybe you can hear the sound also. I got this Eidi. I got the best Eid wish like notification came. Okay, so the another question is, what's one talent you wish you had? So talent that I wish I could have is dancing. I love dancing, but I can't do that because I can't do it. So I wish I could learn it. Maybe in future I'll like be doing some like dance training. I love dancing. Okay, I like did this something nude on my, and like I'm mixing some pink, purple, so that it would match with my outfit. Guys, you know I got all the things matching to my outfit. You can see it. Okay, I'm just loving it. So good. So now let's make something lavender type to make it. It is lavender, but I don't know why it is seeing in pink in camera. You know, whenever I try filming a makeup video, I ended up doing something wrong, and like whatever it is, I'm showing you all. Another question is, have you ever gotten matching outfit with your family or friends on Eid? Yeah, I do. And I can't tell with whom, but yeah, I do. It was last year. I wear white and someone wear white. So it was last year only. The next question is, what you are going to choose as your career? YouTube, MBA, banking, or other? So absolutely not YouTube now, but for sure in future I may be going for BCom or something like in finance. I actually not think about that, so I just, you can see it, I'm setting up it. Now the another question is, what's the last thing you bought? What the last thing I bought? I think these rings. These are the rings that I bought yesterday. You can see it in my mini vlog of Chandrat. So, your dream Eid outfit. Actually, whatever, there is nothing that I had a dream to wear, because whatever I want, my mother made it for me. Look, I got the matching blender for translucent powder. So look at the base. I am applying a blush. I can't disclose it. First, like, and it's a nude blush from a recent brand launched by a beauty influencer. You can guess it. I'm not promoting the brand. They're not giving me money to promote their brand, so I am not. At the blush. Blush is blushing, makeup is makeup, and base is basing. Okay, so now I am contouring my face a little bit. Okay, so now let it drag it upward. Let my face be golu-molu-sa. Did this, and now I am answering another question, that is, what's the craziest thing you and your hostel friend did? So मेरे ना हॉस्टल में कुकिंग अलाउ नहीं थी, बट जब हमारे 10th के बोर्ड एग्जाम चल रहे थे एंड we used to woke up till night studying about our exam, तो हम लोग ना जो डे स्कॉलर्स होते थे उनसे मैगी के पैकेट्स मंगाया करते थे. एंड नाउ हाउ कैन वी कुक द मैगी, लाइक कुकिंग अलाउ नहीं थी. सो जब रात हो जाती थी लाइक अप्रॉक्स 10 PM, सो हम लोग किचन जाते, किचन जो था हॉस्टल में वहाँ जाते थे. एंड वार्डन्स होती थी, लाइक हॉस्टल में वार्डन्स होती हैं. सो फिर हम लोग वहाँ जाते थे. फिर हम लोग सारा मतलब कुकिंग वगैरह करते थे. एंड वी यूज टू क्लीन द, लाइक जिस भी चीज़ में फ्राई पैन में जो भी बनाते थे हम लोग उसको क्लीन कर देते लाइक. बट वन डे जो आई थिंक कोई और ग्रुप ऑफ स्टूडेंट था तो उन लोगों ने ना रैपर छोड़ दिया था वहाँ किचन में ही. सो द aunties were there and they told our warden that someone has cooked the Maggie in the kitchen, but there are many people, so like no one was taking anyone's name. But then क्या था, जो गैस का जो लाइटर था आंटी ने छुपा के रख दिया था. देयर वाज अ डाइनिंग हॉल एंड डाइनिंग हॉल से किचन दिखता था. सो I think I have saw them hiding the lighter in nearby cupboard in the kitchen. So one day when we want to make a Maggie, I told my friends that the lighter is hidden here and we can make, and we had made. So like illegally cooking, there was the funniest part, and I really miss all the hostel memories. I will forever cherish it, and I wish I could relive that, but not with some strictness, because I don't like it at all. That's why I came back and studying in Jhansi and completed my 12th also. So that's it. Guys, tell me how's your Eid going on in the comment. Maybe I will be posting this video at night only. I will be editing it just like after shooting this video. So now I am using mascara and I am not disclosing it. I had already put this side, but I think the camera was not open, so I am recording it again and I am not disclosing the brand, like which nude shade. Let me do this. Guys, this back is broken, sitting continuously. So guys, I'm just loving it. The makeup. Now I am doing my hairs. Putting some highlighter so that I can highlight a little. So now I think I need to change my earrings. Got these matching earrings. So that I bought yesterday. मेरी ईद की पूरी शॉपिंग एंड मूवमेंट हुई है. ओके गाइस, सो आई हैव बोल्ड माय झुमके. इट्स ऑल गोइंग माय विथ माय आउटफिट. मिलते हैं आपसे हेयर्स करने के बाद.